Welcome to our channel. Managing your smart lock settings in TSA PreCheck is simple and enhances your travel security. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Launch the TSA PreCheck mobile app on your device. Ensure you're signed in with your registered account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to the main menu by tapping the menu icon. Look for the Security or Smart Lock section. Step 3. Select Smart Lock settings from the available options. This feature allows you to control biometric authentication and security preferences. Step 4. Enable Smart Lock by toggling the switch to the On position. This will activate biometric authentication for quick access. Step 5. Choose your preferred authentication method. Options typically include fingerprint scanning, face recognition, or PIN code. Step 6. Follow the on-screen prompts to register your biometric data. For fingerprint, scan your finger multiple times for accuracy. Step 7. Set up a backup PIN code in case biometric authentication fails. Choose a secure combination that you'll remember. Step 8. Test the Smart Lock feature by locking and unlocking the app using your chosen authentication method. Step 9. Adjust additional security settings such as auto-lock timeout and login attempt limits according to your preferences. Step 10. Save your changes and exit the settings menu. Your smart lock configuration is now active and will protect your TSA PreCheck information. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.